Alright guys, in this video we'll be looking at something called the Cartesian Coordinate Plane. As you can see here from our picture, the Cartesian Coordinate Plane is made up of two number lines or two axes. We've got a vertical axis and we've also got a horizontal axis. Alright, so first of all, this horizontal axis, this one that runs along horizontally, is called the x-axis. The axis that runs up and down the vertical is called the y-axis. Now, by creating these two axes, the x and y axis, what we've done here is we have four parts, or four what we call quadrants. The first quadrant is located up in the top right hand corner. This is quadrant number 1. To the left of that is quadrant number 2. Down below that is quadrant number 3. And the last one we have is quadrant number 4. So these two axes create four parts or four quadrants. And again, they're numbered starting at the top right hand corner, and we go counterclockwise. Now, within this Cartesian coordinate plane, we have points or coordinates, ordered pairs. And in the first coordinate, or in the first quadrant, all of our points would result in positive values. Our x value is going to be positive, so is our y value. X and y are both positive numbers. Now in quadrant number 2, the x value would be negative, the y value would be positive. An example might be the ordered pair -1, +3. This would be in quadrant number 2. Quadrant number 3, we know that the x and y value are both going to be negative. So an example of a point or coordinate that would fall in quadrant number 3 would be something like -3, -4. Quadrant number 4, what we know about quadrant number 4 is that the x value is going to be positive, the y value is going to be negative. So an example of a point or a coordinate would be +3, -1. So again, we call this the Cartesian coordinate plane. It's made up of an x-axis, which runs horizontally, and a y-axis, which runs vertically. It creates four parts or four quadrants, and they're numbered starting at the top right-hand corner and go counterclockwise. And they contain points or coordinates. And these points, depending on what their x and y value are, will determine where they fall in which particular quadrant.